Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Today we're discussing Bitcoin and why the number of entities with balance over 1000 Bitcoin, these are what are considered Bitcoin whales, is decreasing, and it's actually back to levels seen in 2020. This is based on data from Glassnode, and here are a couple of reasons. So first of all, the drop in Bitcoin prices, or rather the slower price appreciation compared to some of the altcoins, is driving investor attention away from Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies. In addition to that, we can see that in terms of total market capitalization, the dominance of Bitcoin is gradually decreasing, whereas Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Dogecoin in particular are slowly climbing up, attracting more and more institutional interest. And finally, of course, there is the rise of memes such as Dogecoin, such as Shiba more recently, which of course is also driving some of the money away from Bitcoin and into these alternative assets. In addition to that, what we're observing is that now Uniswap has flipped Bitcoin on daily revenue. And actually, the stats are even more impressive because this is based on the Uniswap version 2. And if we add version 3, then the advantage over Bitcoin in terms of the 7-day average fees will be even higher. Of course, Ethereum is the leading network in terms of transactions, but Uniswap has now overtaken Bitcoin. So despite this, however, we are observing some recovery in Bitcoin. So we can take a look at the chart and see how we can trade that. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the MACD is in healthy bearish territory. The relative strength index is also above 50. So over 57,000, buying Bitcoin with targets 58,000 and 59,250. Conversely, below 57,000, good opportunity to sell Bitcoin with targets 56,400 and 55,300. And now let's take a look at Ethereum, which is reaching new all-time highs once again. The pivot point for Ethereum is 4,300, and above that level, I recommend buying Ethereum with targets 4,360, which is near the all-time high, and then beyond that, of course, 4,400 and then 4,500. We can see a fairly substantial gap on the downside, however, so if we were to see a break below 4,300, this is likely to take us all the way down to 4,200, which is going to be a substantial drop in Ethereum. And now let's move to one of the best performers of the last 24 hours, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash spiked to new all-time high, and it's currently retracing some of the gains, but the critical level is 1,520. Above that level, opportunity is to buy Bitcoin Cash with targets 1,600 and 1,641. Conversely, if we break below 1,520, we could see declines on the short side with good opportunities to sell Bitcoin with targets 1,490 and 1,450. And now let's take a look at Uniswap, which we discussed in an article a few moments ago. Uniswap is also retesting all-time high territories, and over 43 we have good opportunity to buy Uniswap with targets 44 and 44.9. Conversely, below 43 we could see that there is quite a bit of downside, so you can sell Uniswap below 43 with the next support level found at 41.85. And finally, let's take a look at Zcash. Zcash is another exceptional performer from the last 24 hours, reaching new all-time highs and now retracing some of these gains, but over 335, good opportunity to buy Zcash, and we can see that the targets are based on Fibonacci extension levels, so 346.5 is the first level, and then 355.15 is the next level on the long side. Conversely, if you decide to sell Zcash below 335, we could use reasonable targets at 329.445 and 316.15. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.